All right, my 5K, 10K folks, welcome to your Tuesday workout explanation. Before I get into tomorrow, let me congratulate all of you for coming out and running in the not so ideal but not so bad conditions on Saturday at Queenie. Some of my runners say if you can run at Queenie, you can run anywhere. So now that one's checked off your list and you successfully completed, now you don't have an excuse to come out to us at any of our other locations. So get that out of the way and know that is the worst. You survived and come out and join us no matter what the conditions on, no matter what the day. So kudos to all of you. Now, before I get into the actual workout, one of the things that I wanted to bring to your attention is the run-walk interval. And this is kind of particularly for the 5K, but it still somewhat applies to the 10K as well. You'll notice that I'm kind of piggybacking, or even more so, alternating between increasing the interval for the week and or increasing the distance. So when the distance stays the same, particularly on Tuesday evenings, when the distance stays the same, the interval will change. And when the interval changes the same, then the distance will change. So we're constantly getting a little bit better, but instead of just kind of throwing you all to the wolves and increasing both the interval and the distance, this is kind of piggybacked. That being said, I need you guys to verbally express to your coaches as we go along through this journey what interval kind of works best for you and perhaps what works best for your group, because I do realize that some of us are going to get stuck at an interval, right? Be it that it's 1-1 or 2-1 or 3-1. We might just get stuck and that's our happy place. If that's the case, you probably are not the only one in your group that's thinking the same, because again, we've done our best we can to kind of group you guys up with folks of your same fitness level. Speak to your coaches and or speak to me. I highly anticipate that we are going to have groups that stay in an interval, maybe an additional week or additional few weeks or for the rest of the program, while other one of us is, where's my grammar? While the rest of us, all right, kind of increase and keep going. That's okay, because at the end of the day, one of the things when I first started running, someone told me is I have the same medal around my neck, or we covered the same distance each and every workout when you guys get in the car. So who cares if it took you a couple more minutes at the end? There's a big old check, and we have the exact same check. All right, we have the exact same distance, we have the exact same intensity, we have the exact same completion rate when you get back in the car. So who cares if you're the first one done, middle one done, end done? We are the same. So please be vocal with myself and your coaches. We're here to get you through. Don't just not come because the interval isn't what you want it to be, or maybe you skip one and jump in. That is not okay. That is not acceptable. Please come out and talk to us and we'll help you guys out, okay? Now, that being said, this workout, other than the fact that the 5K are going just a little bit longer than what we did, is the same. And I'd like to keep it the same because the variable will be the weather and perhaps even the footing, as we're anticipating some more snow/precipitation that's coming down. So I want to keep this workout very similar to what we did last week. It's going to be a little bit colder. The footing might be a little bit more slippier, or whatever the case may be. So the workout is right now is on, and it is going on very similar to what we did last week. That might change coming in tomorrow, but for now, all right, it's kind of business as usual, or just hit the repeat button for last week. The difference is, all right, the 5K are going 2 miles instead of 1.5 miles. All right, 10K stays the same, effort stays the same. First 4 groups are going to get some pace driven or kind of pace specific up intervals. But let's see what the weather gives us. Let's see you out there. Let's hear what you guys have to say. Again, I can help mold this. Our job as coaches is to mold it off of you, the participants, especially these programs. Let us know. We'll help you out. If you have any questions, please let us know, okay? See you guys tomorrow.